Got an '09 Chevy Traverse. So the customer tried to install himself by cutting the wire, which is not good. So I'm gonna have to figure out which wire is positive, which wire is negative, and well, actually he got a couple wire right there that's up here. What you need is a plug. You gotta plug this. You shouldn't even do that. You should order a harness for this, and it would be so much easier for me. But first of all, I'm gonna hook it up, and then I'm gonna, to make it shorter, I'm gonna kind of explain it to you. But what you will need is hook it up to the ignition wire, or accessory wire. So what I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna look where the fuse is at. Or I can hook it up to the accessory over here, but I'm gonna look at that and then I'll explain it to you later. Make it quick and easy. That way you don't have to do the research. I got everything hooked up. I'm gonna explain it to you from the front, left front, and then right front. So white is the left front, which is white. You hook it up to the tan, white black to the gray. And then for the gray wire, speaker this is from the radio. So gray is right front positive. So anything that's light color is positive on the Chevy. So gray to the light green, gray black to the darker green. And then I'm gonna go to the left rear, which is green. So on the rear for Chevy GMC, the darker color is positive. So I got the green right here to the brown, and then green black. I'm gonna hook it up to the yellow. I'm gonna go to the right rear now. The positive would be, as I mentioned earlier, anything is darker green is positive. So dark blue is positive, which is to purple, and then purple black to the light blue. And then I got the red wire the yellow wire right here to the red and white. This is positive. Battery. This is constant. Anything yellow is for constant. And then black wire to the ground. You're gonna hook it up to the thicker black and white right here. And then this red wire is accessory. I'm gonna run it to down here to the BCM. The BCM, I'm gonna hook it up to the light green right there. This light green plug right there, it's the brown wire. As you can see, the brown, I haven't taped it yet. It's number pin 21. As you can see, that's 21 right there. 21, that's a brown wire right there. Don't look at the tan, look at the brown right there. It's hard to see, but yep, this is 22, so 21's right here. And that's for your accessory. That's it, guys.